Looking for a power wire that delivers professional-grade performance without the premium price tag? This 8-gauge clear red power wire, 25 feet long and made from oxygen-free copper, OFC, is designed to give your car audio system the reliable power it deserves. If you want clean, efficient power transfer and a durable, easy-to-install cable, this might be exactly what you need. Here's the real story. Many so-called high-end speaker cables boast fancy designs and complex engineering claims, but often, they don't deliver any real improvement in sound quality. The truth is, skin effect, the phenomenon some manufacturers try to correct with hollow or litz wire constructions, barely affects audio signals at all, especially over short runs like 25 feet. For example, at 20 kHz, the attenuation difference is just 0.01 decibels for this 8-gauge cable in typical car audio setups. That's practically inaudible. Plus, pure long-grain copper doesn't act like little diodes or store static electricity that could interfere with your sound. What really matters is using thick enough wire that's easy to connect and built to last. This 8 Aruban Florins OFC power wire checks all those boxes. It's made by a leading manufacturer known for quality and designed with professionals in mind. The ruby red translucent insulation isn't just striking, it's also user-friendly, letting you easily identify and manage your wiring. Whether you're upgrading your car stereo or building a custom audio system, this cable offers the durability and performance you need without the inflated cost of audiophile brands. If you want a solid, trustworthy power wire that delivers exactly what it promises, this one is worth a look. If that's you, someone who values real performance over marketing fluff, consider this 8-gauge red power wire for your next project. It's fully equipped with state-of-the-art technology, built to last, and praised by users across the United States for matching or exceeding the performance of cables costing far more. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your car audio power delivery without overspending.